Look down, you're in free fall.
So, the first day of our 4-day expedition, we head off above Stok village, about 3,500 metres, and head up towards the first night at Mankamo at 4,480 metres, so just under 1,000 metres on the first day. Heading up towards the camp, 3 of us on the trip, Misha and Pat and myself, as we head up to the first camp here.
Arriving at Camp 1.
This camp run by Jimmy, the Guardian, ever entertaining, purveyor of the finest Kingfisher beer. Stok Kangri sits in the clouds above the head of the valley, not yet visible on this trip. The centre of the camp was a kitchen tent, an old parachute. Very quiet here, but everybody gathered in the evenings.
Way up to Camp 2, which is high camp here. Quarter of the way up, maybe. I think base camp is just over this ridge.
One of the many alpine choughs along the way. Then looking back down the valley with a few pack animals just below. Base camp resting, with base camp just ahead, up over that rise.
What they call base camp? At 5,000 metres.
The base camp at nearly 5,000 metres, with a few supplies, drinks, including beer, and Misha chilling out. But later that afternoon, we did an acclimatisation walk up the side of the valley above base camp to just under 5,400 metres. Beautiful views all around, very arid scenery. Looking down on base camp and the path towards the summit for the morning after, and then our first views of Stok summit in the neighbouring valley. Tough walk, pushing the acclimatisation to get ready for the summit, with my cough kicking back in.
So it's the evening before the summit attempt, about 5 o'clock. We're going to go about 1 AM, I believe. My cold's still, my cough is still there when under exertion. So we'll see how we go. Worst case, I come back down halfway. Anyway, nice weather this afternoon. Had a bit of an acclimatisation walk up the hill nearby, up to about just under Thrive 4. So we'll see how we go.
So unfortunately how it went was my cough came back. It's very debilitating, and I had to finally turn round at just under 5,700 metres, and these shots are from early morning on the way down. That's Stok summit there, and these are the glaciers that we crossed. And I got halfway up those summit slopes.
इधर से जाना
Pausing at the pass just above base camp, some super views across the ranges and the shafts of light and down over base camp. descending the path wearily back to camp. Watching the marmots around the camp before we head back down to Makamo camp for the last night.